Everyone, it's time for us to go and show if for some reason Meta AI is just not working inside of WhatsApp. Now, this is a new thing to keep in mind here because Meta AI apparently is going to be taking a lot of different changes throughout the next couple of weeks and months in 2026. So the first thing to keep in mind is that if you're on WhatsApp and you don't see any sort of Meta AI thing, number one, you might want to try updating your application. So make your way over into your app store just like this. And what you're going to want to do is you just want to see if you can update your WhatsApp application. A lot of the times just updating the app might be the basic way of kind of doing it. And that is exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. So try going through, try updating your WhatsApp app, and that very well could end up being the way to go and fix this type of problem. Now, that is kind of the number one thing to keep in mind here. Now, another thing, if that's not working, you might want to double check your location. So if you're located in an area that is not supported with Meta AI, well, that can also be a problem you might be running into as well. So just double check the availability of it. On top of that, in a lot of different areas, it looks like, I guess, OpenAI or somehow Meta AI, they banned, I guess, some sort of Meta AI features inside of WhatsApp. So if you're on the WhatsApp business account, I guess Meta AI doesn't completely work there. That can be another thing. But if that's still not working, just try closing out of WhatsApp, try restarting your phone, basic things like that, and hopefully it'll end up fixing for you. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.